if we want to edit this part over here, we are first going to edit the container. So let's click over here. Then we have the container settings over here, the styling over here, and the advanced settings over here. For the layout, we can change the width like so, the minimum height like so, the position of the elements inside the container like so, the justifying of the content like so, and the alignment of the content like so, and the gaps over here. And we also have the setting for wrap. No wrap, that will mean that the content will stay in a single line if it will have the space, and wrap, they are going to wrap in multiple lines. By going to style, we have over here the background. The background is a solid color, so we can change the color from over here. We can add an image if we want to from over here, like so. Then we have the image settings over here, like image resolution, position, and the display size, like so. We also have the option to have a gradient, a video, or a slideshow. And we also have some settings for hover if we want to. We can have over here a different color, like so, or a gradient if we want to. Then we have background overlay, where we can have an image if we want to, like so. And the opacity, we can change it from over here, like so. We also have the option to have something on the hover, like so. Now it's grayscale on the hover. We have the option for a border, and this color over here that we are seeing, this yellow, is actually a border shadow. So by clicking over here, we can change the color from over here, like so. We can change the distance on horizontal like so, on vertical like so, the blur like so, and the spread like so. And we also have the options for shape divider. So if we want to go back to our changes, we can go over here to history like so and go backwards. We can even go to editing started. And if we are going to advance, we are going to see the padding over here. This is basically the distance that we see from the edge of the container until the content. So we have the top padding over here. If I'm changing this to something smaller, we can see the change. Pretty obvious. The bottom padding as well, we can see the change. The left padding, we can see the change. And the right padding, we can see the change once again. If we want to edit the information inside this container, we simply have to click on it. They are heading widgets, as we can see over here. So they have the same settings as I'm showing you over here.